Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, compass, remote power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.